Okay, guys, these markets are really wild right now. We're into the close. We got 9 minutes to the close. Let's see if we can get our target here. Else we just gonna close this trade. Okay, guys, just some, say, trying to um, reduce the impact of this market right now. The volatility at the open is incredibly high. It's impossible for a human being to trade that market. Okay, so I would recommend stay away for those markets in the morning and just get your trades in the maybe 2 hours from the open. Okay, just watch the market and drink your coffee or anything. It's impossible to trade these markets, and you will lose. You will lose. So just to reduce the impact of losing money, guys, or or your challenges, and be aware of that and very careful. And just you just wait for the market to have the the tendency. You see all that sell-off over here. You could enter on a hiccup of the market. That's what I did right now. I enter on a market pullback. So don't chase, just wait for the boxes to form. When you hear the boxes forming, is the market is stopping, is not running. So you just wait for it. People need to take their profits. So they will always reverse. It's always the same thing. Every day is the same thing. If it's going up, it's the same thing. Okay, it always needs to go back, especially to the ATRs. This is where the market really looks for. You see, guys, you don't need to rush to the market open. Okay, just take it easy when the market is opening. So I can't stress that enough. It's very very dangerous, guys. Big sellers in the tape, guys. 100 contracts, sellers. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close this trade. Didn't work out.
Brick setup.
Okay, let's see. Okay, it's reversing again.
Long signal and Q. Okay, we see an imbalance to the downside. Big sellers, guys, in the tape. Big sellers.
Okay, I think I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
Okay, guys,
canceled.
I'm out. Plus 400 here. We're gonna close in 2 minutes. Market can reverse from here. Okay, very risky trade, but it worked out. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, guys, remember you can contact me via email. Okay, so or Skype or whatever, however you wanna contact me. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.